Become better people. Become conscious of your connection with Allah. How many times a day do you pray? Are you doing it correctly? Have you prayed the correct number? And have you prayed in the correct manner? Don't you think we should be improving on this? Whereas when it comes to, we all want improvement. I want to graduate from one grade to another. I want an increment in my salary. I want expansion in my profit. I want to grow in my company. I want all forms of growth. Why don't we think of growth when it comes to my connection with Allah? That is far more important. I used to do only the farad. Now I am doing the sunnah as well. I used to do just the farad and sunnah. Now I'm doing the nafil as well. I used to pray 5 times a day. Now I am doing the tahajjud as well. That is the favor of Allah. Allah chooses from His worshippers those whom He softens their hearts towards goodness. When Allah loves you, certain things happen to you as the sign of the love of Allah. One of them is He tests you in a way that draws you closer to Him. Inna Allah idha ahabba abdan ibtalah. When Allah loves a slave, male or female, Allah tests them in a way that brings them closer to Him. And this is why when calamity strikes, when negativity happens to you and I, think to yourself, has this drawn me closer to Allah? If it has, it was a blessing and a sign of the love of Allah. And if it drifted you away from Allah, it may just be a punishment. It may just be something negative because of the sinful behavior that we at times have. May Allah forgive us and strengthen us.